Hello, welcome back to Himalayan Singing Bowl, Nepal. So that is a established company of 1990. So in this small session we are going to talk about the Dolphin Antique Tibetan ball. First of all, I will tell you that is all the handmade healing balls what we have in this collection. And this side we have all the antique balls. And among them there are different kind of antique balls, like Buddha ball, Lingam ball, old jam, therapy, ulta bati, thado bati, and all the different kinds of antique balls. So antique balls, they are manufactured in since time, so we don't know exactly the date of when they are manufactured. And in this collection we have a Vietnamese, Indonesian, Tibetan, Indian, Bhutanese, Nepalese, and all the different kinds of healing balls in this section. So today I'm going to talk about the dolphin ball. So first of all, this is the dolphin ball. Why it's called dolphin ball? Because when you played it, it has a beautiful sound of similar to dolphin. So that is why it's called dolphin ball. First of all, you should have, when you want to have a dolphin sound, you have to select the ball which are Tibetan antique ball. Should be very old ball. You can see very clearly from outside those kind of ball are made in the before, so they are not manufactured now, so you exactly don't know when and how they are manufactured and how old they are. Normally 60, 70, 80 years old. So outline, and they are always light in weight, and there will be not maximum like 10, 12 inch. There will be like 6 to 8 or 9, maximum 9 inch size of Tibetan antique ball can have the dolphin sound. So even in other kind of ball also you can have a dolphin sound, but for the dolphin sound you should have the lightweight ball, and which has not very heavy in a weight and not too much thickness in a edge. So this is a dolphin ball. So let me show you very clearly. Okay, and then we have to put a very small quantity of water inside. So not too much. If you put too much water in, you probably not able to make the dolphin sound. So this is maximum what you can put the water. Okay, and then you hold the ball in your fingertips only, not like this, only this way, and then you bang the ball softly, very gentle way. Then you have a very clear, beautiful, similar sound of dolphin in this ball. This is why the old antique Tibetan ball called dolphin ball. See? When you put the water inside, then you have to turn it this way, and you have to bang in the edge of this ball, and you have a beautiful dolphin sound inside. See? And those kind of ball are really good for reduce the anxiety, the stress, to maintain the stress, and they are also very useful for meditation purpose, because they have a lot of healing power. Not only the sound, but they have a full of healing power, the healing energy. Even if you just played them like this way, you have a really beautiful vibration of water inside. See? And these kind of sound and vibration are always very effective to feel positive, think positive, and do positive. This is why they call the healing ball. They are very good to heal the chakras, and also very useful for meditation, yogas, and chakra healing. Okay, and of course if you find the good supplier here in Nepal, they definitely gonna give you all the definition and all the exact information about the ball itself, and you have to find them. And this is our own experience. We don't claim anybody, maybe they have a bad ball, but Anybody can have the beautiful ball, but you have to meet a good person. That is very important. Anybody can have the dolphin ball here in Nepal. They can have a good offer for you, but you have to find them. You have to find them and you have to talk with them that you are exactly looking for the dolphin ball. And this is the first session of our YouTube channel in Himalayan singing bowl about the antique ball. And continues, we are going to talk about the old antique lingam ball, and next video we are going to talk about the old Jan therapy ball, antique, ulta bati, thado bati, and all the antique item we are going to talk about. Please keep on subscribe us and keep on watching. Thank you very much and enjoy your days. Namaste. We wish you good luck, happiness and good health in your coming future. Thank you. Namaste.